Good morning, everyone. This is Cheryl at the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, and we are in week 4 of our special leading up to our anniversary on September 1st. So we're going to start things out with our drawings for our gift baskets from last week. So we have 4 different gift baskets. We'll be doing that drawing first. So our first one here, we'll be going to D. Chaudor.
We'll give you a call, Dee.
Chaudor. And then remember, all of your names are going into our growing basket for our grand prize drawings. That'll be on the 1st of September. Basket number 2, which looks like it might be an embroidery basket, is going to Chris Honeyegger. Congratulations, Chris. Basket number 3 is Helen Miller. Helen Miller. And the last basket for this week is gonna be Diane Van Clay, V-A-N-K-L-E-Y, Diane Van Clay. So we will be giving all of you ladies a call, and then we have 5 more baskets for this week. So if you come in or you place an order online, your name will be thrown into a drawing for one of those baskets. And then we're also going to be continuing our fat quarter sale, $2.50 a piece or 12 for $25. We also have our mystery bolts that are still going to be here. People were having fun with those last week, picking a bolt to see what surprise they get. We even had a few people posting something with what they did with their mystery fabric. Last week we also had some samples. We found a few more around the shop, so we added those in. So I'm just going to hold those up quickly. Get this out of the way. So this is going to be number 35. It's a little Christmas doppelganger or Saturday morning runner. This is a nice fall one. This is from our doppelganger pattern, number 36. This is number 37 from our 2 fats in the yard pattern, meaning 2 fat quarters and 1 yard of fabric makes this table runner.
And these, remember, you can call and order them, or they're here in the shop to pick up.
One of our 20-minute runners from Easter, number 38. Another 20-minute runner with Christmas nutcrackers on it, number 39. Fun artistic fabric, number 40. Valentine runner, number 41. And a little pinwheel runner. This one's pretty long. And that is number 42. So all of those are $20 a piece. We've also added in a few smaller items that'll be $10 or less. We're not going to hold all of those up, but if you stop in, you can browse through those. There may be smaller placemats or pillowcases, things like that. So going forward for this week, we are going to be, our special for this week is going to be on any full price items that you purchase, we're going to be doing double bucks. So for those of you who are regulars, you know that for every $10 you spend, we give you $1 back in rewards cash. This week, for every $10 you spend, you'll be getting $2 back for rewards bucks. So it's basically a 20% discount. Next week, during our anniversary celebration week, is going to be our redemption of our bucks. So it's a really good time to stop in, pick up those things, because you'll have lots of bucks to redeem then next week. Next week is also going to be our cake day, right, on the 1st. We were going to do it just the one day, this big celebration. However, with everything going on with COVID and some of the numbers going up and people being a little more concerned, we didn't want to have a big crowd on one day. So we're actually going to spread it out through the whole week. So we will be having cake every day next week, so you don't feel like if you want cake, you have to come in on Wednesday. Wednesday will be the day we do the drawing for our great big grand prize baskets, but that will all be online, and we'll give you a phone call if you're not here. Other than that, anything else, Elaine?
I think that's good. We've been seeing a lot of you posting your shopping trips on our network, Studio Y Playground. It's been fun to see you. We're over 550 in that group, and we're having a lot of fun. We look forward to seeing you there too.
All right. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you this week. Bye.